So here I am, I'm putting the back pieces in to try to fit the head now that all the pieces are printed right and left. And then that goes on that main center support piece. So I flip everything over. I put the eye sockets, I guess you call those, on. That would be the left, no, that would be the right. That's kind of what it looks like. And do the same for the other side. There's a bit more mechanics on that side because that's where some cameras are going to go in the eye, so you'll be able to remotely pilot the robot around. So yeah, there's the two halves dry assembled, and then they fit together on like a central pivot shaft. Kind of hard to explain, but you see there's servo rods that come out, so you got to kind of line everything up. It's kind of janky because it all moves, so there'll be a function where the eyes can pop up and down, and then that's the central rod that everything pivots off of. Again, there's a lot of pieces that have to line up. So jiggle, get it down in there. Slam, line everything up. Make sure it all, works and moves back and forth. So that's it together. See how that moves. There's Wally's face. Then those will pop up with servos. Like, I don't know, they're like little Wally eyebrows, I guess. Just loose fit to make sure they fit. I took them off because I don't want stuff to fall around. So I just got it kind of balanced up there for now. Of course, when things put together, it's going to all screwed together. But this is a dry fit just to make sure everything fits together and stuff. And the whole thing ought to be stripped down again and painted. So here I am. I'm starting on the hand. I'm just using some spare filament I had laying around, just to kind of act temporarily as joints. Those are going to be metal. There's going to be some servos attached so the hand can open and close. Probably some type of linear actuator so the hand can extend out the arm is the idea. So there it is. Kind of floppy until I get the servos in there.